Hey guys, coming at you with another video on how-to video with Big Mark. Today we're gonna try to change out the center console latch on a 2017 Tahoe. The things you're gonna need is this is the part number. Things you're gonna need is a T20 bit, a screwdriver, flathead, and a regular screwdriver. Let's go see if we can change this, guys. Okay. This is the latch I already changed. I'm gonna show you how to get in there and get it off. First, I'm gonna try to get the latch up and out. If it's broken, just try to get it up somehow. And then you open it up and you see this inside. It has no screws or anything on it. So what we're gonna have to do is get that flathead screwdriver. So I can hold this. Put it in this crack. And just wedge it open. There's some clamps that's holding it down. And that's it. Let's take that off. Then there's gonna be 2 screws on the side of it. That's where your T torque bit is gonna be at. So I took that off and replaced it with regular Phillips head screws. And there's a Phillips head screwdriver up under the bottom. You take that off. See? And take these 2 screws out and replace this. So you put the new one latch in the same way you took it out. And see, now it's working. Then you put your console thing back on. Just pop it back in. Just like that. It should be working. That's it. Back in business. Thank you guys for watching.